Hello, here with a yarn review for you. It's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. I am going to try to start making these yarn reviews 5 minutes or less so that you can get all the information that you need, but also to be very respectful of your time. The yarn that I'm going to review today is the Red Heart with Love premium yarn. It is 370 yards and 7 ounces. The knitting needles are a K 10.5 or a 6 millimeter, and the crochet hook recommended is an I9 or a 5.5 millimeter. This yarn is a 4 medium weight yarn. It is machine washable and dryable. And the color that I reviewed or I used for this review is tan. This Red Heart with Love yarn I have used in several projects, and I do really enjoy using it. It is a little bit splitty, and I think part of that is due to the softness, but I can work with it rather quickly. I don't have to worry too much about the splitting, just to be aware of it. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but it is 100% acrylic made in the USA with imported fibers. It um it is a nice yarn. It is a little soft. I wouldn't call it ultra soft, but it is soft. So I do like that about the yarn. One of the things that I do in my reviews is I wash and dry the yarn or a swatch of it based upon the recommended instructions and share that information with you so that you have it when you are looking for your next yarn for your crochet project or knitting project. Because it's nice to know what it looks like afterwards, because that's what's going to be basically every time after you finish the project. So in this, I did do the measurements, and as you can see, there is a, I'm going to say maybe 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch difference from the before and after. So that to me is very minimal shrinking. So it is a yarn that holds very nicely, and I would say that like I said, that's minimal. But the other thing that I do like to look at is the fibers. I like to look at them up close before and after the wash. I also like to tell you how it feels before and after the wash. Obviously, you're going to have to trust me on that one because I'm not able to show that in a video since there's not feel-o-vision available. But it is soft. It is a teeny bit softer after the wash, but I would say it's a pretty nice yarn. I did buy this at Joann Fabrics for $5.99. It is about 1.6 cents per yard, which is a mid-ranged priced yarn for me. And I did enjoy using it quite a bit. I would recommend this yarn. I would use it again, and actually I have used it again several times. I did use this yarn in my sea creature or sea by the sea blanket that I made. It has minimal shrinkage. It is fairly soft. I would say it's reasonably priced at a lower mid priced yarn, and it has a lower split factor if you want to uh, go on a scale there of others. And I really did enjoy using it. So all in all, um, a thumbs up for this yarn. I am not affiliated with any yarn companies. These are truly my thoughts and opinions and shared with you as such. Um, I, like I said, do not get paid by any yarn companies or have any affiliations. I do really appreciate you spending time with me today and your continued support of Epic Yarn Gems. We really do truly appreciate it, me and the gems here, Diamond and Emerald. Peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care.